off ko lang pong, yung music. Ay, may cousin. May cousin siya. Ito po si Larry Gamer. Gusto niya po yan, Larry po Gamer yung account po na aking pinsan. Wait lang, enjoy ko. So, let's go, guys. Dogs. Okay. Okay tayo ng water din. Para makapag-ready na tayo. Enter. Ito na po. Saray ka na. Yan. So guys, wait ka muna. Oh, 800. There it goes. Here it goes. Oh! Hintayin lang po kayo, sir. Here we go. No problem. Okay, so. Let's just wait. Oh. Wait lang po, sir. Hindi pa na po ang aming Okay, so okay na po. Titi. Tita. Water. Thank you. Bye-bye. Sandali lang po tayo. Uy, what? Hotdog, please. Hotdog. Bye-bye. Yan, so. So, at that, I just in the place. Ang couple of water. Potato. Because we need it. Hotdog? Okay. He's actually a player, That is actually a player. That gonna Magkasin! Oh, wow! Hotdog and water. Ganyan po. Hotdog and water. Check. So, ganyan po, sir, Yung hotdog po ay niluluto pa. Done. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh. No. May main account. Ito kasi main account ko na nawala. Yung account nyo, ang dami niya ng Robux. So, buong katawan niya Robux. Kaso nawala yan, guys. Diba, nalungkot ako. Yung nawala yan. Sige po, sige. Sige lang yan. Sarili ko naman din yun, Gusto niya, guys, dito. I-check yung account kong yun. Ito po yung pangalan. Wait lang po. Wait lang, guys. Ayan po guys, yung pangalan niya, Laniel 2010 po. Lahat po with letter. Yes po, yan po. Okay, so anyway, so, add please. Okay, i-enter ko nga pala sa register. Nice. Oh, nalulungkot pa rin nung nawala yung main account ko. Hello, kinakita. Masa? Hello, sir. Hot dog and water, pam, pam, pam. Dogs and water. Can I get a hot dog, please? Okay, hot dog, hot dog is done. Okay. Okay. Let's keep reading. Why are you... Ay, nako, imiss ko tuloy yung account ko. Dito kasi guys yung aking main. Ayun po yung account ko na nawala. Ay, miss ko lang po. Okay yan. So guys, mag-iipon lang po tayo sa ng 400. Kung magtataka kayo guys, bakit 4? Ba't mahal naman po? Tayo, oy, pinsan ko ulit. Yan. Kung gusto nyo pong malaman, tayo po dito. Kita nyo? Ayan guys, so yan. Yan o. Ibalik guys, may upgrade ko ang aking building. At saka, sorry. Oh my, nalito ka na naman. Take it! Take it! Okay, take it. Yung marami pong benta yung dogs. So marami na po tayo guys, magkano po ng ano? At guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, kinayaman ko. Thank you. Bye-bye. What is this? This a phone? Hey. Ay, ito yung blomangos ko. Lapit tayo kasi magkano ng 400. Diba po ma-upgrade na po natin to. Ano po name ko? Apples. Apple. Oy! May apples ha? Okay, let's go guys. May upgrade na po natin ang ating house. 3, 2, 1, ping! Where's it? Oh! Shush! Naba. Hard to gain patties. This is a plant. Only cat dogs. Yan. Sa water, please. Yes, sir. So guys, okay na po yung ating ano. Ganda na po yung itsura nito. Pen. Tapil ko rin po dun sa likan. Thank you so much. Sige, ako. Mamaya ko na ito po po yan. Thank you. Oy, may totoong customer. Ano to? Isa siyang player, guys. What can I get you, sir? Hot dog. Okay, sir. Hot dogs. Sir, thank you, sir. By the way, guys, totoong player yun. Nakikita niyo sa kanya. Ay. Okay. Kasi nabi $5. Thank you, sir. So, okay, guys. I-upgrade natin, guys, yung i-upgrade natin to, guys. Diba pumanlak po ito. Pang ano po ng mga patty. Hotdog. Okay.
Okay. Hotdogs. Hotdogs. Let's go. Hey.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Let's keep waiting. Oh! Hotdog and water. Thank you. Oh, so guys, i-upgrade na muna natin. It's yung ano, itong diba naman na po tayong stove. Yes! Ito para po sa patty.
Hot dogs. Tops. And patties. More patties. So, ito na hotdog. Okay. Sir.
Okay.
Chicken, hot dog, and water.
Oh, okay. Hotdog. And tapos burger.
Okay. Oh, no, nauubos na tayo, guys.
Ayan, 20. Okay, hotdog.
Hotdog.
Anto siya, so 25 hotdog. Okay. Thank you sa bakas.
Sweet. Sweet. Hotdog.
They pretty much love hotdog, you know. Wait lang guys ha. Ang 10 minutes tayo dito guys. So, okay guys, magbabalik kapag po ako nakaipon na po ng maraming pera. So, wait lang po guys. Wait lang. Ah! Ba't rin dito? Ito.
Hotdog. 20. Hotdog.
Anyways. So, okay guys, magbabalik. Kapag po ako nakana na. Nagkaroon na maraming pera. So guys, wait lang. Wait lang muna. Goodness, ang mahal. 400, tsaka 200, tsaka 400 ulit. Oh my god. Oh no. Goodness, meron palang kotse dito. Wait lang, orderin nga muna ako sa kanila. Iya. Ayaw, nina. Okay. Dida. Didi. Na. Let me order. I want to. Hey, get out of there. Wait there. Oh my god. Hotdog. Hotdog bless. Dude. This looks good. Not gonna lie. Hotdog. Thank you. You paid. Yep. Now time to go back to my bay. Hey! Oh, water. Siguro na-wow na to guys. Sobrang tagal kong wala. Kanina ka lang ako umalis eh. Dude, it's me. Why they say yeah, but we're customers. Okay. Pwede ka pala dito mag-order ng iba eh. Nina. Bye. Wala akong pakialam. Wata. Wow! Nina. Na pala akong 200. Let's go, bilhin na natin to guys. Ito, bibili na natin. Diba, pumalak po itong upgrade stove. Ayan, yung hot bucket, ano to? With double burgers. Hey, yo, I can. Patty. Another patty. Ano to? Hotdog and water. Uy, hotdog and water. Hotdog and water. Enter. Hotdog and water. Another patty. Another cup of water. So let's go in the pot. Oh no! Recycle na nito. Okay. Hotdog at saka fries. Hotdog, fries. Grabe bang. Ay. What do you want? Burger and hotdog and water. Burger, hotdog, water. Okay.
Never mind. Fries, please.
Meron tayo guys, fries. Oh my god. Yes! Meron na akong Why am I... Stop getting them. Fries. Magkano yung fries? What is... 15 yung fries, burger yan.
Oh, tatlo lang. And water. Burger, fries, water. Patty fries. Patty fries. Cup of water. Yuppie.
So, wait lang muna guys ha. Wait lang muna. Ako magpapalag sa inyo guys kapag po nakaano na ako. So, wait lang guys. Pag ka rin na maraming pera ulit. Ano din na 400. Ang hirap naman nitong kunin guys. Yung 400 ang hirap kunin. So, let's go. Ano kaya upgrade natin? Metal pan, butter, bucket, yayo. Hindi na nagbibiro guys, ang mahal. Grabe ang mahal nito mga to. Another sa cola, burger and hotdog. Okay. So guys, wait lang guys.
Burger and hotdog.
Nalimutan ko yun eh. Naman niya palang ganun. 2 cups. For soda and water. Hotdog and fries. Hotdog and fries. Amo ba sir? Hotdog and fries. There you go. So, hotdog and fries. Dog and fries. So, wait lang guys. Wait lang muna. So guys, ano na lang po muna po magtatapos ang ating video. Wala naman po medyo nangyari. At sa next episode ko po, kung gusto nyo po mag-like lang po kayo. Mamaya, kung gusto nyo po kapag po kayo nag-like ng mga 5 likes lang, gagawa ko ng part 2 na ito. So guys, ayun na lang muna guys. Ayun na lang po muna for today's video. So ayun lang po. Wait lang guys. So ayun lang po. Bye bye guys. See ya in my next video. Babush!